Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question, solving exponential equation. And here 1 by 27 is equal to 9 to the power 5x minus 7. How we can solve this question? So we need to put all the variables on the left side, and we have to put all the constant on the right side. So here this one should be on the left side. So I'm writing here 5x minus 7, and here 1 upon 27. So this 27, 1 by 27 is in rational form. I need to put this one in this form. That is, we know that 27 is the 3 to the power 3. 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 to the power 3. And if anything is there in this form, so I can write 3 to the power minus 3 by using the formula over here. That formula I'm using, this one is, suppose 1 by e to the power m, so this will go up and it will become negative m, e to the power negative m. So this one, and here 9 to the power 5x minus 7. So we have to equate this one and this one together. So how? Let's go, and you will see here 9 to the power 5x negative 7, that is equal to 3 to the power minus 3, and this 9 can be written as 3 square, and there is a power over here 5x negative 7, 3 to the power minus 3, this one. Next, this is going to multiply by using this formula. Suppose e to the power m, and there is one power is raised, that is n. So these both will multiply, m into n or n into m you can write. So this one too is going to multiply here, so 3 and 2 into 5, that is 10x and minus 14, and here 3 to the power minus 3. Once more I'm going to use one formula over here. That formula is that, suppose a to the power, suppose b, and also a to the power, suppose c, so this implies that b should be equal to c. I'm going to use this formula over here, this one, and this is bases are same, so obviously their exponents will be equal. So this 10x negative 14 is equal to negative 3 in this way, and this 10x will be right in this way, and this negative 14 will go on the right side and it will become 14, and negative 3 it is coming, 14 minus 3, that is 11, and it is 10x. So we have value for x is x equal to 11 upon 10, and this is our solution for this equation. This equation, that is x equal to 11 upon 10. This is our solution. So thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.